Click on the Carplay icon to view connection information. Turn on phone's Bluetooth and find the corresponding Bluetooth name of recorder to connect and pair. And choose to use Carplay simultaneously. The phone and recorder are successfully connected. Turn on the earphones. After searching for the name of the corresponding Bluetooth headset on mobile phone, click to connect. After successful connection, you can listen to music, make and receive calls through the headphones. Click on the DVR icon to enter the recording interface. Up button short press it to switch between different camera display modes. Long press it to enter the assisted driving page. Long press it again to return to the camera display interface. OK button short press it to enter the emergency recording state. Long press it to enter the menu page. Choose video playback mode. Short press the down button to find the desired video. Long press the up button to switch between different camera video files. Long press the OK button to return to the menu page. Select the setting mode. Short press the down button to select the corresponding function for setting, with multiple functions to choose from. Long press the OK button to return to the menu page. Enter the language setting mode to switch between different languages. Down button short press it to switch to reverse mode. Short press it again to return to recording interface. P button short press it to default interface. Long press it to lock the touch screen. Long press it again to unlock the touch screen. Click on the Carplay icon to view connection information. Click on the setting icon to enter setting page. Click on the Bluetooth icon to view Bluetooth connection information. Click on the GPS icon to view latitude and longitude information. Clicking on the sun icon can adjust the screen brightness. Click on the camera icon to view the camera images. Click on the speaker icon to adjust the volume of the host. Search for Wi-Fi camera on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motard or Visto. Enter the number to connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the wired controller cannot be operated. Click online to view the files in the memory card. Click the button in the upper left corner to switch between the video files of front and rear camera. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it, or edit a video within 30 seconds to share with others. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, reset camera, and other functions.